Officer Amy Caprio was killed in May of 2018 while responding to a burglary call in Baltimore County. This past May, 17-year-old Dawnta Harris was found guilty in Caprio's murder. He was sentenced just moments ago. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live outside Circuit Court in Towson with the very latest. Mike.
Tim, he got a life sentence. His attorneys plan to appeal. That life sentence was for the felony murder. He also got 20 years for burglary, another 5 years for theft. He was inside of a stolen Jeep, and jurors got to see very graphic body-worn camera video from Officer Amy Caprio that day. She was responding to some suspicious people and possibly burglary in the area, and she encountered Dawnta Harris. He wouldn't get out of the vehicle, and he said he didn't realize what he was doing. He ended up flooring that vehicle, running her over. Prosecutors said that this was intentional, that he knew exactly what he was doing and showed no remorse. Now, Dawnta Harris was 16 years old at the time this happened. He did not speak at the sentencing today. Instead, his lawyer read a 3-page handwritten letter. He says he wished this day had never happened. If he could go back and do it differently, he would. He said that he didn't want to hurt her, that this was a life or death situation. Now, we also heard today from the mother of Amy Caprio, who said that if she thinks negatively about this, she'll fall into a deep pit of despair. She chooses to remember Amy's life in a positive way. We also heard from Amy Caprio's husband. He said his life has been shattered by this. When that life sentence came down, there were tears in the courtroom from Dawnta Harris's mother. She just screamed out and cried. She did not speak as well, but she offered her prayers to the Caprio family. It's just an emotional day all the way around. Now, defense attorneys had asked for 30 years or no more than 30 years, which they believe is going to be given to the other 3 defendants in this case who reached a plea deal with the government. They have yet to be sentenced. But again, more to come on this because there is an appeal sentencing for them. The bottom line here today, though, a life sentence for Dawnta Harris, who is 17 years old. He'll likely serve that at the Patuxent Institution in a youthful offenders program. Reporting live in Towson, Mike Helgren, WJZ.